Betye Saar was born in 1926 in Los Angeles. She had worked as a social worker, jewelry maker, costume designer, and printmaker until she found her voice as a narrative artist through collage and assemblage. What makes Saar's work unique is her interest in the occult and metaphysics, as well as childhood experiences with the woman who raised her. Using these themes, Saar's work has become a powerful interpretation of the many facets of African American identity. Saar states, "It is my goal as an artist to create works that expose injustice and reveal beauty. The rainbow is literally a spectrum of color, while spirituality a symbol of hope and promise." Black Art in America is proud to present Mystic Sky. It is an offset lithograph, construction, and collage on paper. Betye Saar's Mystic Sky with Self-Portrait was published originally by Brandywine Workshops and Archives in 1992. It features symbols from alchemy, tarot, and palmistry, with a decentered artist's self-portrait to emphasize other interpretations. At the age of 98, Saar continues to work in Los Angeles, primarily working in found object sculpture and assemblage. Mystic Sky is presented through BAIA's partnership with Brandywine Workshops and Archives. To check out more of our fine art print offerings, visit our website at www.blackartinamerica.com.